to Style with Audrey. Today I'm challenging myself to style 10 summer pieces and see if I can put together 50 outfits. We have a white tee, which was also featured in my spring styling challenge video, an organza blouse, a linen blend knit cardigan, a blazer, a pair of denim shorts, a silky midi skirt, a pair of white linen pants, a polka dot bodycon dress, a shirt dress, and a long cover-up. Now let's get into the styling. Obviously, the easiest thing to do is to put on the dress. I have raved about this in my trying on all my dresses video. I think this type of dress is great for these styling challenges or just to be styled many different ways because they are really tight on your body, which means they will be used as a top, a bottom, many different ways that I'm going to show you today. I have this styling theory that I talked about in my spring styling challenge where I asked myself whether any piece of clothing can be used on its own, as a top, as a bottom, layered inside something or layered outside of something. So for this dress, I have this really pretty green blazer that I got from Bershka. I think polka dot is such a classic print that any other pop of color or statement pieces can go really well with. Of course, you can pair a cardigan with a dress. I love how loose fitting this cardigan is over a bodycon type of dress. I also like the color combo. Pairing neutral colors will always work. One of my favorite ways to wear a cardigan is to actually wear it as a sweater. This time I buttoned up my cardigan and flipped the back to the front. So now my dress looks like a bodycon mini skirt. Another way to style a cardigan is to turn it into a skirt by simply wrapping the sleeves and tie it in the front. So now my dress just looks like a tank top. Not done with the cardigan yet. I wrapped it around my chest areas to make it look kind of like a vest. But I like the layered look. I think it looks pretty good in the front, but on the back it's like a blob of fabric, so let's not look at the back. The front is still pretty cute. Along the lines of turning a dress into a skirt, I brought back the blazer and I simply paired a really thick belt. This is definitely a look that I can comfortably wear outside, unlike the one before this. What a cute outfit! I simply tied my organza blouse that I picked up recently from Zara. This blouse is on sale. I love how the shirt adds more volume to the top and makes my waist look even smaller. I think if it's not for this challenge, I would never think to use an organza shirt as a little jacket over a bodycon dress. Treating the shirt same as how I treated the cardigan. I basically wrapped the sleeves around and tied it into like a cute little knot, and I like how it adds volume at the bottom, so more flattering on the butt. I think this is a really fun way to wear organza or the layered sheer trend this season that I actually featured in my trendy outfits video. I am layering the entire shirt over my dress. I love how the collar forms a straight cut in the front. I think this actually looks a lot more expensive. The shirt is really thin, so there's not much material, and that means once you tie a knot, it doesn't create a kind of pile of fabric in the back. Didn't think there are so many ways to style this dress, but we're still styling this dress. And this time I am putting my t-shirt over the dress and I basically wrap the front and tuck it in so that it kind of looks like a crop top. I think it's more flattering on the figure. Do not be afraid to tuck your dressing and turn it into a top. The key here is to have a somewhat loose fitted bottom so you can tuck as much fabric as possible and make sure your dress again is also pretty body hugging. I would definitely wear this out. It feels really comfortable. I love the polka dot pattern paired with my pink denim shorts. You can do the same thing with longer pants or midi skirts. I actually think it's easiest to obviously tuck your dress into a midi skirt because the fabric can hang more nicely and you really won't be able to tell. Obviously a cover up can be thrown over anything, so I just have this cover up over my dress and I think it gives a different vibe to this dress. It looks more beachy and bohemian because of this really cool cover up. You can also fold in the top half of your cover up and use the tie to turn that into a midi skirt. I don't have to worry about the front being open because I have my dress bit over here. I like how the cover up creates a little bit more volume at the bottom and helps me accentuate my waist. Using the same theory, I unbuttoned my shirt dress and draped it over my polka dot dress. Now it gives the body contrast a more casual vibe. I love layering t-shirts under my strappy dresses because that means I don't have to care about what type of bra I'm wearing and it looks really put together and really cute. You can also layer over a cardigan to keep you warm in cooler AC environment, or layer your organza blouse under the same dress. I love that the organza blouse also has these dotted detail, so it almost looks like it actually goes with the polka dot dress. And of course, you can drape over a blazer and feel really cool in this outfit. Keeping the organza shirt on, we've used this as a layering piece, as an outerwear, but this time I'm actually just wearing this shirt. And I paired it with my linen pants. I love the cream on cream or white on white type of look. It just makes your outfit look so much more expensive. And of course, you can layer a blazer over, and this is a great work outfit. To dress the shirt down, simply throw over a pair of denim shorts. If you're worried the shirt is a little bit too sheer for you, cardigan is your best friend. It's a really cute day night outfit if you pair the organza shirt with a silky midi skirt. And make sure to tie a knot so you can show a little bit of skin. You can also throw over a cover up for a more layered look. Moving on to our classic shirt dress, I made sure to pull the top a little bit up so that it covers the belt a little bit and creates more volume and more layered look. For a classic office look, I just paired my blazer with the shirt dress. I actually really like the light green and light blue color combo. I think it just brings all the spring summer vibe. To create the illusion that I'm wearing a set, I took the sash off of my shirt dress and used this as a belt over my blazer, so it looks like my blazer is part of this set. I'm wearing my cardigan as a sweater again, and this time I made the V-neck as the front. I also shortened my dress by basically wrapping the sash a couple of times around my waist and tie a tiny little knot in the front so I can drape the actual fabric over, and now it looks like I'm just wearing a mini dress with a sweater. This organza shirt keeps bringing me surprises. I just tied a knot in the front to create a little bit of waistline, and I left the collar a little bit more open so that it's more flattering and shows off my collarbone and makes my neck look a little bit longer too. This shirt dress is also very easily tucked into your bottom and serve as just a normal shirt. And because the fabric is so thin and so flowy, it was much easier to tuck this shirt dress in than my polka dot dress. This color combo is the dream summer color palette. I also love pairing blazers with shorts. I think it dresses up a casual outfit and also dress down a more formal looking blazer. The dress also looks super cute tucked into a pair of loose fitted linen pants. Also cute under my midi skirt. I brought the sash back to serve as a tie belt, so it looks like these two pieces go together. This time I turned a skirt into a dress by simply pulling the midi skirt up and kept everything else in this outfit the same as the last one. Add a blazer, now you have another great work outfit option. The start of the show in this outfit is obviously my satin skirt, but how can you tell? It looks just like a normal satin dress. Wearing my cardigan as sweater again, but this time I just tucked a little bit of in under my satin midi skirt. I like the asymmetric waistline that it creates. I think it's really chic and gives you a little bit of French girl vibe. Almost forgot I still have this white t-shirt which goes with any bottom. I love a classic white tee, blazer, and midi skirt formula. This is the perfect casual or even business casual work outfit. Same outfit, just swapped the blazer for a cardigan. Both the t-shirt and the pants are linen, and linen is my go-to summer material. The blazer is back. and it does that if you don't wear your blazer properly. Okay, much better. Did I just turn my shirt dress into a midi skirt with a slit? I basically just button a few buttons in the middle and tied a knot with my sleeves, and you have a midi skirt. Not sure about the crop top trend? Well, tuck your t-shirt under your bra and now you just have created yourself a crop top. Now this cover up is actually a dress with cute little tassel belt in the front. It is a little bit see-through, so I would probably wear bikini underneath or wear it as a top with your denim shorts underneath. I really love the color combo. I think it's extremely summery. I love the flowy bottom of this top. It's also really lightweight, so you don't feel too hot in this either. Last outfit, I love a loose on loose outfit in the summertime. I just have my linen pants under, so it is still really cool, but it is so flowy and super cute. What do you think I did? I have spent, I don't even remember, this might be the 4th hour I'm filming this. I have used all of my brain cells to create these 50 outfits, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below on which one out of these 50 outfits is your favorite. If you want to see more fashion content, subscribe to my channel. I make 2 fashion videos every single week, and I will see you in one of these videos. Bye!